Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody guys, today we will take a look at the Australian dollar because currently the Australian dollar takes the special meaning on the financial markets, and I will explain why it is happening. Also guys, other currencies also interesting, particularly speaking the Great British Pound, but you know in general it deserves the separate isolated report. I mean the Great British Pound. At the same time, we have specified our long-term target almost 2 years ago, and we are gradually, when we prepare the weekly researches on the Great British Pound, we step by step discuss the action right to this target. Just to remind you, our long-term target stands at 130 even on Great British Pound, and the market stands really not very far from this area. So I don't think that's really a good idea to speak on the daily update right now on the Great British Pound, because there are a lot of questions that we should answer to make the correct picture, to create the whole vision of the situation that now stands on the Great British Pound. That's why if we will prepare just a minor daily update, this will not clarify anything in fact. At the same time, on Australian dollar, guys, we have the short-term setup that we have started trade a couple of weeks ago. And market is still standing with the setup. Market is moving with the setup. What is the special role of the Australian dollar? First of all, guys, you know that our view on the gold market is bullish, and we think that the rally on the gold market will continue, should continue. Maybe this will happen after some meaningful retracement, as we have discussed, if the overall global situation, political situation in the world will let gold market to do this, or market will continue to move immediately if something drastic will happen in the political sphere, in some financial sphere. That's really could happen. For example, results of the Great British United Kingdom referendum on the Brexit. So this also could be a very, very big event for gold market as well. Second, and we know that the Australian dollar is the gold currency, but this is not only the reason why Australian dollar moving forward, moving to the upside. The point is that you know that the Australian dollar has very attractive interest rates compared to all other major economies. Australia holds really very sweet rates, so this is around the 3%, and in relation to the Japan negative rate in the Japan, even to the Fed rates, this is really attractive, and it really very big temptation for carry traders. Taking the last situation in the Japan and big appreciation of its national currency, we can't exclude the rising activity in the carry trade in the Australian dollar to the Japanese yen relation. Basing on the geographic position, Japan investors very often buy Australian government bonds with a big differential of the interest rates. That's why we expect significant action in favor of the Australian dollar in the Australian Japanese yen currency pair, Australian dollar Japanese yen currency pair. So this could be a really big move in this currency. And we also expect some additional demand for the Australian dollar due to the particular this possible capital flow in Australian government bonds from the Japanese investors. This is because this gives really big differential in the interest rates, not just on among the short-term rates on the forex market, but it additionally will bring you the yield of the government bond. So the real result of this rate could be, for example, 3% on the carry trade, and additionally you could get 3-5% on Australian bonds. So this really enough. You will get the earn in Australian dollars, but if it will continue appreciation following the gold market to the United States dollar, this will give you even better result in the United States dollar if you later will convert the earnings from an Australian dollar to United States dollar. So I think that you got this step. So that's why we see that the potential right now is not exhausted yet on Australian dollar. And let's return back to our technical picture, to discussion of the Australian dollar. So as you know, our action has started from this butterfly that has been completed. Market later this here has formed the head and shoulders that we also discussed, completed it, and that has become the first leg of the ABCD pattern. Then a reasonable retracement has followed. Here we've got multiple, as you can see, bullish grabbers. This was first one, second, third, fourth, and the last year. That has suggested the taking out of this top. And take a look, these grabbers have succeeded. Market really has exceeded this top. At the same time, market has reached the minor ABCD target, the 618 extension. Next target stands right now. It's 7380 approximately, I suggest. Right, 7390 even. So, and this stands right at the previous top. That will be next destination. At the same time, guys, take a look, market already stands above this target. So usually when market exceeds the first target, it usually tends to the second. We do not want to say that this action will be straight right to this target. Yes, it could show a lot of different pullbacks, retracements, but this is the action that we see here. It's really acceleration right to the target and exceeded it. It looks really bullish. And there's really not bad chances the market will continue to move right to this area. So that is more than 100 pips potential. Market is not at the overbought right now. And also, guys, market already has passed through the major 618 resistance. From this top to this bottom, 618 resistance already has been passed. That's why, in fact, right to this top, market has no significant barriers, except maybe daily overbought. But right now, as you can see, it's really pretty much room to this area. So market gradually could continue to move higher. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, we have another pattern that points on the same area, and this pattern is butterfly cell that has the chances to become as the CD leg of the same ABCD pattern. So you can see 1618 extension of this butterfly stands precisely at the same area. This is at 7390. This is 7403, approximately 7305. It's right here. So you can see a nice combination of the different patterns that point approximately at the same area. That's why, guys, maybe on the Australian dollar will be not bad idea trying to take some position on the retracement that could follow after this leg will stop and show some minor retracement. This should not be some big retracement because first of all, retracement already has happened here. Second, this is the starting point of the upward rally. The CD leg right now stands in progress. And market just hit minor retracement, minor target. It's not at the overbought, it's not at the fib level. That's why here we should get some deep retracement. Maybe 3-8 retracement is maximum. That's why on the hourly chart, guys, take a look what we have. Where this retracement could start, from which point? I suggest that somewhere around 7260, 7280 area. Because we have, first of all, first ABCD pattern in progress. So already 100% has been completed. Retracement, ABCD retracement after that. 1618 stands right here, 7280. Also, guys, minor ABCD pattern that has started right from this really, let's call it, when the rally has started, it will take its AB pattern, AB leg. And CD leg also points approximately the same area, 7270. So probably, that was, by the way, the minor reaction on the 618 target on the daily chart. Probably market could reach this area, complete this target, and then turn to some retracement down. Maybe some kind of the hand shoulders market will form here on the hourly chart. Maybe something of that sort. But the target of this retracement hardly will be deep. I suggest that based on this tab, this probably will be 3-8 on the most recent leg to the upside from the CD leg. If market will move higher and start retracement from this area, this level also will drift slightly higher, corresponding to the new top creation. So, but anyway, this will be somewhere around 3-8 support. Right now it's 71.86. Also, guys, take a look at those previous tops. That's also will be natural support resistance area. That being said, on Australian dollar, in the medium-term perspective, it's potentially bullish and could move high to the upside at least for 150 pips. Really not bad potential. Especially if we will get this retracement, this really could become even 200 pips. Well, that's medium-term view on the Australian dollar. And our expectation right now is the minor retracement, minor dip, where we could take the long position on Australian dollar to follow the market to the upside. By some fundamental reasons, as we discussed, this big relation to the gold market, possible interest from the Japanese investors to the Australian bonds. This could lead to some medium-term additional support for Australian currency. That's why we currently have the positive view on Australian dollar. And you even could compare it by yourself. So just take a look what we have in the euro currency, take a look what we have in New Zealand. I do not want even to speak on the Great British pound. And take a look on the Australian dollar. Right now it shows absolutely different, opposite action. That's not just occasionally. This is just because the Australian dollar has the big relation to the gold. And as I said, maybe from the Japanese investors also some money will flow to the Australian dollar and some purchasing of the Australian bond could follow.